Welcome to the Almighty's channel. In this week's episode, we're going to be troubleshooting some common screen printing problems and their solutions. Stick around, we're going to talk about that next. What's up, y'all? I'm out here on press and I'm printing an order for the South Carolina Philharmonic when I began to notice some double imaging or some ghosting on my left chest print. Here are some things to consider and ultimately what I did to fix it. Most of the issues that I'll be talking about are mostly for older presses, but can apply to a newer press as well. Here's the printing question. This little line of text at the bottom is where I was noticing the problem. I first like to check all of my moving parts, like these nylon bolts, make sure that there's no play in them. That looks good. Check my micro lockdowns, those are nice and tight. My tilt adjustment, also nice and tight. Like to make sure there's no tension on any of my micro adjustments. Check my screen clamps, that's tight. Now I'm going to go to my platen. Make sure that there's no play. Make sure that that platen is tightened down to the platen bracket properly. And check for the platen bracket knob. Everything looks good. Everything's nice and tight. So what's my conclusion? Well, I noticed as I was printing that sometimes I was bringing the screen down with both hands on the screen. Sometimes I was bringing it down with one hand on the screen. Now, I wasn't paying attention to when I was doing it with two or with one hand, but I was wondering if that wasn't what was causing my inconsistency. So I started and made a mental note to bring it down with both hands and try one set of shirts that way, and that seemed to correct the issue. That just by bringing it down with one hand, maybe on one shirt, on the first white, and then with two hands on the second white, was causing a little shift in the screen inside the registration gate. Problem fixed. Just got to think about it. I surely hope you found this video helpful. If you don't mind, would you like and subscribe? And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get alerted whenever we upload new content. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.